Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have two kits that I wanted to show you guys. First, let's look at the Burano kit. And this one is a foil kit. And y'all, this comes with so much stuff. I was so surprised. I couldn't believe how much stuff, well, foils was in here. So opening the kit, this is how it looks. This is just some instructions telling you how to use the foils. And we also have some foils in that packet, 2 foil glues, and a little silicone tool. So these are the foil glues. They are 15 milliliters. It comes with 2 of them. It doesn't have a bad smell or anything like that, so that's good. This is the silicone tool that it comes with. You just like rub the foil down. And now I'm going to open these foils and show you guys every single one individually. There is a lot. I don't even know how many there is, but I'm just quickly showing you guys every single one that comes in here. If you guys want more time to look at it, just, press pause on the one that you want to see. I was just really shocked at how much was in here. And they're all very nice, really pretty designs. I don't think there's not one I didn't really like. I mean, besides the plain colored ones, I don't really know what to do with those, but all of these designs they're so pretty. We are also going to use some of these foils today. I was having like a really hard time trying to decide which one to use just because there was such a huge selection. I know I kind of disappeared a little bit for a couple of days, but I'm back. Things have just been so crazy, like so busy, and I try my best to at least get, 2 videos a week. So hopefully I can get back on track. So you see all of these foils, this is crazy. This is a lot. And they are also super affordable. I think I paid about $16 or $17 for this whole kit. And this is definitely worth it because we're paying, I think, like $5 or $6 just for some that maybe have like 10. And this has a whole lot. So, and also 2 big bottles of foil glue gel. I don't think you will ever run out for a really long time. So now let's look at this Sexy Mix Polygel kit. I know I've used this kit before a long time ago, but they did send me, Modelones had sent me another one. So I wanted to show you guys again this kit because I love this kit. The polygel in here is amazing and it comes with so much stuff. Here's the paper forms. There's 6 different colored glitters, some dual forms, also some striping tape, and there's quite a bit in there, probably at least 1 of every color. Some dry flowers, and these ones are really pretty. I like these ones. Some colored rhinestones. None of them are spilt either, which is really good. Here is a polygel brush and it has their name on it. Some slip solution, but I won't be using that today. Some top and base coat, and I really do like their top and base coat. It works really good. Little tweezers, a nail file, a 100 by 180, and I'm still using the last nail file from the last kit. And then we have some light pink polygel, some pure white polygel, and a clear polygel. So today we'll be using the paper forms, and also I'm going to be starting off with the clear polygel. I already prepped my finger. I just didn't put base coat on the bottom. I did forget to do that. And this is the brush that it comes with, and it's nice and brand new. I love brand new brushes. They're amazing. And I'm also going to be using the base coat as the slip solution. So last time, or the first time I had ever used this kit, I had used the paper forms. And the reason why I love to use paper forms with this polygel is because this polygel works so good. It's not like a struggle. You don't have to fight with it. So I'm actually able to use the paper forms just because the polygel moves around that easy. And I was also able to get all of these done really, really quickly. I didn't have to do a whole lot of filing after, which is nice. So I definitely recommend you guys use this polygel with paper forms just because this polygel works really, really good. I think it's probably like my most favoriteest one. And this is how that looks after I fully cured it. So I do flash cure in between, but I do give it a full 30-second cure in the light. And this one is the light pink polygel. And I'm just going to sculpt out all of these, well, these 4 nails here, and then I will be back. So this is how the nails look after we are done, and this is with the first polygel layer. So I'm going to go ahead and file these. I do take this sticky layer off with some alcohol before I start filing. Just make sure you guys do that so you don't have any problems. And I do actually show me filing this one nail on camera. A lot of the times you might have to add more polygel on top, especially when you're using paper forms, because right where, and you guys will see here exactly in a minute what I'm talking about, but right where like the paper form and the tip meet, sometimes it kind of goes down a little bit and there's like a little, I don't know how to explain it, like a little like dip right there, so you'll have to put some more polygel on top. And this one definitely had a dip, so I will have to add some more polygel on top of that. So I'm just gonna file these really quickly and then I will be back. So I'm done filing, and that's the only nail I don't have to put more polygel on top of. These three, I do have to add some more on top. And as you can see, it's not really hard. It's not giving me any issues or anything like that. So, I mean, you probably could put some more base coat down before you add more polygel. But I didn't really need to do that just because it stuck really good. It didn't, you know, have any problems with sticking to the other polygel, so I didn't need to do that. So off camera, I did go ahead and file and buff these nails. So now I'm just putting down some base coat. And this is the base coat that comes in the kit. So the base coat works really, really good. It doesn't have no weird smells. It's not super runny. It's not too thin either. So I think it's a pretty decent base coat. Now I'm going to be using the Burano Foil Nail Glue. And I'm going to be putting foils on all 4 fingers. And I swear to you guys, it took me like an hour just to decide which foils I wanted to use, just because there was so much. They were all so very pretty and I just couldn't pick. So I decided to use a different foil on every finger. Well, they're all still the flowers, well, 3 of them are. So it's not like it's super crazy or anything like that. But yeah, I did have a very hard time picking which one I wanted to do. And it goes on really well. Like that one came on perfect. I'm going to put down some more foil glue gel. You do have to carry it in the light for 60 seconds. This one, I had a little bit of problems, and it's not nothing to do with the foil. It's more of my problems because I couldn't get it flat. Sometimes trying to get these foils perfectly flat without them like pinching in the middle or, you know, scrunching somewhere, it's really hard to do that. I wasn't able to get this one perfectly flat, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It kind of left a big line through the middle. It doesn't look super bad, but just, yeah, make sure you guys try to get this as flat as you possibly can. See, it's right there where I had left the line. So I do try to connect it, but it didn't work. It's not really a big deal, so I'm not gonna stress out over it. It doesn't look bad. So moving on to the pinky. This one I also did put flowers on, and it's a different one, and they kind of look all the same but different. Yeah, I love these flower foils. I'm so happy I got more. So this one, I really wanted to use this pretty like rose gold holographic foil. So I decided to put it on this one. I did have to rub it down for at least maybe like a good minute or so, just because you want to make sure it fully transfers over. So I did make sure I did my absolute best to try to like rub it down and just get all up in there. And it came out pretty good. Actually, like about pretty much all of it stuck. There was just a little tiny area that didn't stick all the way. So I did just like, you know, put the foil back on top and just filled in that little gap, and it was able to go through. Definitely think these foils, they work really good, and they're so pretty, and that's how they look. I love that rose gold color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So now we're gonna go ahead and put some top coat on. If you guys are needing some foils, I definitely recommend you guys get the Burano Foil Kit. Also, the Sexy Mix Polygel Kit. The Sexy Mix Polygel is amazing. It works great, and it comes with so much stuff. So this is perfect for beginners. I will make sure I leave the link in the description to both places where you can find these at. And here's the finished look after I cured the top coat for 60 seconds. They look so pretty. I love it. I really love these foils. Foils are amazing. So that's all I got, guys. If you have any questions, just make sure you put it down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope everybody is having a great day and staying safe. And I will see you guys in the next one.